How to find a working Parkwhiz promo codes. In this quick video, I'll show you how you can obtain or get a working promo codes only for Parkwhiz. Now, before you go ahead and choose on find parking, you must have a working discount code so that you can just simply copy it and then paste it into your payment tab. To do that, create a new tab in your current web browser and then go into the website that's going to be wethrift.com. So once you're here, pull up into search stores and type in Parkwhiz. Now choose on the very first result, and then you will have a lot of options here available. You can also choose on the view description of the code so that you have an idea how the code works. Click the option here to choose copy code so that you can obtain the unique code and then paste it into Parkwhiz official website. And that's it. That's how you get working Parkwhiz promo codes.